In this video, I will show you how to add Grammarly on Microsoft Word. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to grammarly.com, come up to the top right hand corner and log into your account. Now, if you don't currently have an account with Grammarly, when you come to the login screen, you're going to see a link here which says I don't have an account. So what you can do is click that and sign up for an account with Grammarly. Once you signed up, you can then proceed to log into your account. Once you've gone ahead and signed in, it's going to ask what you want to install Grammarly for. At this point, you want to get Grammarly for Windows only. So you want to click this option here. And what it's going to do is basically install Grammarly onto your PC. So all you want to do is click onto the setup wizard, which is going to appear in your downloads folder. And as you can see, that's going to go ahead and install Grammarly onto your Windows PC. Now, once that's installed, what you can do is open up Microsoft Word and you're going to see the Grammarly app. It's going to be a little icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So you can then go ahead and easily use Grammarly on Microsoft Word. So that is how to add Grammarly on Microsoft Word. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.